morning, guys. It's May 5th, 2020. Here I got a call from a lady. She's got a problem with her kitchen faucet that's leaking down below. And it's a pull-out faucet. So sometimes it's just the hose that's leaking. But I'm going over there now. She said she did pick up another faucet. That one's like 5 years old, so if I have to change it, she has one there for me to do the swap out. And if I can fix the other one, she'll just return the faucet. Because it's a 1 hour minimum to go out there, so, you know, for me to go out there and check it and then decide she needs a new faucet, it'd be 2 calls, right? So it's easier and cheaper for them just to get another faucet. I don't know if I'll be able to fix it or not. If it's 5 years old, a lot of times that's about, you know, the lifespan of some of these faucets. Try to get you some shots if I can. Told her I'm gonna go in there with a mask. Put on my Halloween mask.
4.5 miles. Keep right to the road.
Sometimes this is just loose. That's probably all it was. Kind of stupid, but. Yeah, simple. Alright, so it's still leaking. I got the water off. I gotta take this handle off of here.
And that's why, like, I changed my whole, you know what I mean? Like, I changed the whole way I do it. Like, now it's like if I can't help close the pool or whatever,
Hopefully I get the handle off.
then I'm gonna hire someone to do it. Like, I'm not gonna let him do it. Does that make sense?
See if we get the handle off of there. Okay. Yeah, see how that's loose right there? You can see the water in there.
Like, I'm not, everybody needs
Yeah, see how that's loose? Alright. I did tighten it quite a bit. We'll try that out. We'll try that out. You want to see what I did, madam?
Hold on a second.
Let me show you what I did. I took this handle off and there's a nut here. This nut was loose, so I was able to tighten this up. So it might have been leaking down inside here, you know, and dripping.
Right.
All right? So I'm going to run it. We're going to turn the water back on and check it. But if it's still an issue, we're going to need to change the whole faucet.
Okay. It's funny because I was like, I bet there's a nut in here somewhere, but I don't know how to get to it.
But that's the deal, all right?
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
We'll turn it on and we'll run it for a while. So how long did it take till it started dripping again?
It wasn't very long, and I noticed where I usually noticed it was like right here.
Okay,
like,
so you didn't notice it down below.
Right. Well, as soon as I saw that, I looked underneath.
Okay. All right. So she says it's leaking at the base. You heard her. Most of the time it's this hose that's leaking. I don't see anything leaking. Leaking there. That's probably what it was. That packing nut up top. I don't see it leaking. I thought for sure it was that loose connection, but oh well.